Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to fund OPay wallet with bank transfer. All right, so how to get it done? So the first thing that you like to do is to begin by opening the OPay app on your smartphone, which I have done. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet. Now on the home page, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the icon labeled Finance. Now you find it in the lower right corner of your screen. Now inside the finance section, you can see a couple of options here: wallet or wealth, target, save box, fixed, spend and save, your savings report. So just go ahead and tap on wallet to access your account wallet options. Now this is where you manage how you send, receive and fund money on OPay. The next thing to do is to tap on add money. Once you tap on this, you'll see that this is your gateway to depositing money into your OPay wallet. A list of funding methods will now appear. Now you have cash deposit, top up a card or account in your bank USSD. You have scan a QR code as well. So from the available options, just go ahead and click on top up a card or account. This option allows you to send money directly from your bank, either through your bank account or linked debit account. So you'll notice the default bank is pre-selected. All right, that's the bank that you added to your OPay. If you want to use a different one, just go ahead and tap the bank name. All right, you can just tap on change, and once you tap on change, you can now go ahead and click on add a bank account or add a bank card. All right, so now type in the amount you want to fund your wallet with in the amount section. Say 2,000 or any amount of your choice. Make sure your bank account has enough balance. Then once you're done, just go ahead and press confirm to proceed. You will now be redirected to a secure payment gateway. Follow the prompts to complete authentication. This could be via OTP, PIN, or biometrics. And once the payment is successful, OPay will automatically credit your wallet. Now, this usually happens instantly, but in some cases, it might take a few minutes. You will also receive a confirmation message. So to make sure everything went smoothly, head back to the wallet page and tap transactions to view your latest pop-up. Top up rather. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.